The color sampler tool is another color tool in Photoshop where you click on an image to place a marker and it creates pixel color values that are displayed in the info panel, and you can display up to 10 color sample points in an image. So we'll click it. You see here I put 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can go all the way up to 10. You can see in the info panel we got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it just gives you a RGB readout. It's just a quick and easy way to get a bunch of colors that you need if you need their values for any reason, and it's a good visual because you got the points right on your screen. If you go to the top options, same thing as every other tool. You got the presets for that tool. You got the sample size also. You can change it between point sample, 3x3 average, all the way up to 101 by 101. I usually just keep it 3x3. If you want the color of one specific pixel, you'll change it to point value. Say you zoom in to where you can see the pixels. This is where I use point sample, right? So say I want this exact color. With 3x3 average, we'll take these 3 by these 3, this whole square, and average it out. And then once you have a bunch of them, if you want to clear it, you just click clear all. But that's the color sampler tool, guys. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.